Look at that. Oh, it looks so good, y'all. It looks really okay, guys. Let's taste it. Look at this. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing tacos. The actual day for today is Tuesday, but I will be posting this probably on Friday. So I wanted to post an affordable meal, and with tacos you can feed more than one person, and also it doesn't cost as much. Of course the ground meat is high, but the store that I went to, guys, which is Shoppers Value on in my town, their prices are a little bit cheaper than other stores. So if you see ground meat for like $15 for I think 5 pounds, I can get that like cheaper, like around maybe $10 or a little less than that. So it's all about getting it, even if it's for $1 less, getting it cheaper than what you usually would get. So this is an affordable meal, guys. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Share my channel for the world to see, guys. And thank you for joining me. Thank you to my old subscribers as well. I love you guys. Y'all always supporting me, and I hope y'all enjoy this meal. Okay, so guys, I got some ground meat. I got some green onions back here. Also got some sweet and sour sauce. I got some Rotel original diced tomatoes, taco seasoning mix, 3 packs. I also got some taco sauce right here. I have some super stuffer extra large taco shells. I got 2 boxes like that. I also got the Taco Bell 12 crunchy taco shells. I got 2 boxes like that as well. And I also got some flour tortillas for soft tacos, because we all like hard tacos and soft tacos. So, I like to give variety. So I got like 3 of those. I got shredded lettuce, guys. Lettuce. I don't know. I just said lettuce. And also some sour cream. I usually get the squeezed sour cream, but they didn't even have none of that, guys. And I also got some onions to go with this meal. So let's get started. Okay, I got the ground meat cooking right now. The fire is on medium to like low. So we're gonna let that cook, and I chopped some onions in there, and we will be back. Okay, so guys, I finished browning the ground meat. Now, usually I would drain the grease that's in it, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix that with the taco seasoning. Cause I have to add water in it anyways. So we're just gonna add this taco seasoning. All 3 packs. Now, you don't have to do it this way if you don't want to. You can drain the grease out and put the water in. However way you want to do it is totally up to you. But I'm just gonna add this in here and just mix it in, because even when you go to drain your grease out, you still gonna have a little bit of grease in anyway. So, and that's mixed with water. So now I don't think I will be seasoning. Maybe put a little bit of, I might put a little bit of cayenne pepper and black pepper in here, but I'm not gonna put no sodium, because it already comes seasoned with sodium and you don't want it to be extremely, you know, salty. I usually get sodium for all packs, all of my taco seasoning packs, but guys, I didn't even see the packet. Sorry guys, I didn't even see the packets with the sodium. I only seen one, so I just picked up whatever I saw, and I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna season it as much. That way it's not gonna be salty. So that one pack, I think I said low sodium. Yeah, they have one pack with low sodium. If I didn't say that, guys, I don't know what's going on in my hair right now. But anyway, yeah, they have a pack with no sodium in it, and that's the best one to me to get, because they come highly with high sodium in it, guys, and that's just too much for me. Way too much. See how it came out? Now you can add whatever you would like to this. I'm gonna add, well, I bought some green onions, but I think I'm gonna cut up some green onions and add that in here, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm adding the green onions right now. Go ahead and add that in there, and they're not gonna take too long to cook in here. Like I say, you don't have to add this, but I do. I just want to. It adds in like a stronger taste to this taco meat or ground meat, whatever you want, however you want to say it. Coming out really good, guys. Now if you feel like it got too much grease in it, you can take a little bit out, which I'm gonna do that. Just put it in a bowl. It honestly does not matter to me, but I'm just showing you guys you can take out that grease. You really don't have to keep it in there like that, but I feel like that's where my little gravy at. So I'm not gonna take too much out. I'm gonna take a good bit out, but not too much. Now, I know some people that actually keep their grease and use it on something else, but I don't do that. So how do you guys make your tacos? I would really love to know that, because everybody does it differently. Everybody does differently, you know, and it's okay. I would love to see, you know, how y'all do y'all tacos. Let me know in the comments section. Like this video, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you are enjoying watching and you are enjoying this taco recipe. Okay. I don't really want to take too much out, guys, but I'm gonna take a good bit because that's a lot. Y'all know ground meat got a lot of doggone. Okay, that's enough. I'm just gonna leave the rest like that. Okay, and we're gonna stir that in there because it's starting to really brown now. And what's gonna happen is, since it's brown, it's gonna brown that grease out. So we're gonna just let that cook, and I'll be back, guys. Okay, we are gonna add the seasoning. I'm not gonna put too much cayenne pepper, because y'all know me, I could be heavy-handed with that cayenne pepper. I'm not even gonna lie, I can be really heavy-handed with it. So we're gonna add some black pepper in here, and like I said, we're not gonna add any salt because it comes already salted. It already comes with sodium in it, so you don't want too much of that. Okay, y'all, I am liking it. I want to see how much grease they got in it, because you can see at the bottom it's starting to, you know, stick to the pot at the bottom. I want to see how much grease they got that gathers right here. You see that? That's how you know how much grease they got in it. I want it to kind of, that grease to kind of cook down a little bit more. So we're gonna let that still go a little more, cook a little more, and we will be back. All right, it is done. It's still kind of cooking right now, but the fire is off, but it's done, guys. We're gonna make our tacos in a few minutes. Ooh, this looks so good. Look at that, guys. This looks so good. I like it. Go ahead and fold that over. Flip it. And you're gonna pinch it right here and let that kind of cook on one side. And you're gonna go to this side. See those bubbles, guys? You can pop that. Or you can leave it like that if you want. It's up to you. I'm gonna turn it over one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to the paper towel. Kind of drain it a little bit so you don't have too much grease in it. And this is how it comes out, guys. This is how it comes out. Tacos is done. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good, y'all. It looks really good. Now it's time to take a taste test. Okay, guys, let's taste it. Look at this. It's really good. I mean, really good, guys. Them fried flour tortillas, they're delicious. Guys, thumbs up this video if you really enjoyed this video. And don't forget to comment down below if you have a special tacos recipe that you would like to share. And thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Bye bye, my minkies.